Hello, good day. My name is Rodel De La Torre, 37 years old, butcher here in Davao City. Today I will show you the 5 standard cuts of a whole dressed chicken. Before we proceed to cuttings, let me show you how I sharpen my knife using honing steel at 45 degrees angle. Let's proceed to cuttings. These are the 5 standard cuts of a whole dressed chicken. The backbone, the wings, the drumstick, the thigh part, and the breast. That's all. Thank you.